Since 1937, Merit Brass has been your trusted partner in wholesale solutions. Founded by Lou Schlesinger and Frank Lifshitz, our family-owned and operated business is now led by the third generation, Mark Schlesinger and Alan Lipp as co-CEOs and Darren Hilliard as president. Merit's fourth generation, Kevin Lipp and Kyle Schlesinger, are active within the business to continue our legacy. As a family-owned company, we understand that your needs change and that you need a supplier who can be flexible and react to your ever-changing needs. As both a manufacturer and master distributor, Merit is committed to partnering with you to support your growth opportunities and your service needs. We understand how busy you are, which is why we aim to be a one-stop shop offering you a diverse range of products that serve multiple markets. We design your Merit experience to help you succeed in a competitive industry. Our legacy of high-quality products ensures that your reputation is upheld with every connection. Our extensive experience and longevity give you access to our entire team, global market intelligence, and industry insights. Our commitment to delivering the lowest total cost and comprehensive piping system solutions means you can rely on easy-to-receive products, quick order turnaround times, and consistent availability across our 5 U.S. locations. We prioritize your success by ensuring our products are always accessible when you need them. At Merit, we view our customers as family. Our culture is built on dedication, innovation, mutual trust, and family values. Every improvement we make is driven by our commitment to help you achieve your business goals. We build strong partnerships with our customers, respecting the supply chain and fostering relationships based on trust. We understand that your customers depend on you, whether they're in an oil field or constructing a building. Merit Brass is committed to helping you succeed by providing reliable solutions and support. Together, we build partnerships that ensure our mutual success and the communities we serve.